Struggling with bloating, indigestion, or that heavy feeling after meals? What if I told you that the solution is sitting right in your spice rack? Let's dive into the best 5 spices for healthy digestion that can naturally improve your gut health and make your meals more enjoyable. When it comes to natural digestion remedies, spices have been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues. From calming the stomach to promoting better nutrient absorption, these 5 powerhouse spices are about to change how you feel after every meal. Best 5 spices for healthy digestion 1. Ginger. First on the list is ginger. Known for its strong digestive benefits, ginger stimulates digestive juices and helps break down food faster. Whether it's fresh or powdered, adding ginger to your meals can ease nausea, bloating, and indigestion. 2. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are a well-known natural digestion remedy. They help reduce gas and bloating while soothing the stomach lining. Chewing fennel seeds after meals is a simple yet effective way to keep your digestion running smoothly. 3. Cumin. Next up is cumin. This earthy spice improves digestion by boosting enzyme production, which helps your body break down fats and carbohydrates. Add a pinch of cumin to your meals to ease digestion and avoid that heavy feeling after eating. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is not just for inflammation, it's also great for digestion. It promotes bile production, which aids in the breakdown of fats. A dash of turmeric in your curries or smoothies can help you digest fatty foods more efficiently. 5. Coriander. Finally, we have coriander. This refreshing spice not only adds flavor, but also helps prevent indigestion and gas. Coriander has been used traditionally to soothe digestive discomfort, and adding it to your meals can work wonders for your gut health. Here are a few quick tips on how to include these digestion spices into your daily diet. Add ginger to your morning tea or smoothie for a refreshing start. Sprinkle fennel seeds over salads or chew them after meals. Use cumin as a seasoning for your veggies or rice dishes. Make a turmeric latte or add it to soups and stews for extra flavor and health benefits. Add coriander to your sauces and marinades for a fresh, digestive-friendly boost. So the next time you're feeling bloated or heavy after a meal, reach for these amazing natural digestion remedies right in your kitchen. Which spice are you going to try first? Comment below and let us know.